Hi, and welcome back to the Good Web Business. And a few days ago, I was asked what AI tools I use and is there any tools that I can actually recommend. So what I did was I went on to ChatGPT and got a HTML code so I could actually add it to the website to give you a quicker way of finding the links. So what I did was I actually added this bit of code here, and as you can see, it gave you the links to click on. So in this video, what I'm going to do is just quickly show you how to add a code or an HTML code that you've maybe got off ChatGPT or somewhere else, and you can actually add it to your website. So to do that, obviously, you'll have to log into your control panel, find the actual website you want to put the code onto, and then follow the video on from there, and I'll show you how to do that. If you're new and this is your first visit to the Good Web Business, well then welcome. And basically what I do is I try to find tools that are very helpful, and it also saves time in you actually searching for those tools. And it's just like a quick way of actually finding what you need. If you've not got a website with us, then there is actual tools on the Good Web Business and also YouTube videos as well. And I'm also available if you want to ask any questions. So let's get back to adding a subpage and the tools. So first of all, what we'll need to do is log into your control panel, as I said, and then when you're in your control panel, find your web page you want, and then this will bring you to your actual control panel. So then to add a subpage, you'll need to go to settings, and on your settings page you will see all the pages you've added, and you can add a subpage here. So as you can see, I've added top AI tools, and you can see that there's different buttons here, and then you'll see an arrow which will then take you to this page. So I just come out of that. So this is the actual page we're doing, which is top AI tool. And to actual add a page or actual content block, if you go to content, and then you would add an header, and this is the header just here that I've actually added. So you'd click on that, and then that would add it for you. And then when you've done that, you can name the actual name of the page, which we've got top AI tools. If you want to, which I would suggest you change it to a header 1. So what you would do is highlight the actual text, and then this is normally set on header 2. And if you click on the button, it will actually take you through the different sizes of the header. So as you can see, each time I click on it, it takes it to a different size. So the last one is 6, and then now this makes it header 1. So that's what you need. If you want to change the color, again, highlight it, click on that, and you can change it to any color. So when you've done all that, make sure you tick the blue tick, and then that'll save it. Add your description, and then what we'll need to do is, if you scroll down, it will also add a block for you. So what I will suggest you do is click on the plus button, and then you'll need to go to content, click on that, and if you scroll down, you want to go to apps, and then go to custom HTML code. Now what you'll need to do is put your code in here, and as I explained before, I'd actually gone over to ChatGPT, and I asked it for a code to save time in adding them all individually. So you can highlight your code and you can copy it here. So if I do right click on the mouse and copy, but also you can copy it there. And then if we go back to the actual website, so if we go back to the website where your editing tool is, and if you click on here, do a right click on your mouse, paste, and then continue. and this will actually upload the actual HTML code for you. Just give it a bit of time to process, and there you go, it's added the actual code. Now sometimes what happens is it will actually add it to the top of the page. Now if that's the case, what you can do is go on to the cogs, and then you can actually move the content block up or down. So if you find that your links are at the top of the page and you want your header, then just click on these and then that will actually adjust it for you. So there you go, that's how you actually add an HTML block. Again, like I say, if you don't want this block here, what you can do, you can go to delete, yes, and then you can add, you've got your code. If you want to just change the spacing, as you can see, it's quite a big spacing in between each blocks. What you can actually do is if you go to your cog and scroll down and go to default block spacing, and if you watch this area here, you can see it moves up. So you can actually change your spacing, save changes, and as you can see, that's moved it up the page. And again, if I just quickly show you this one again, scroll down, click on there, move that one up slightly, and save your changes. So that will change the gaps between the actual pages. And also, like I say, when you watch this video, I'll leave you a link in the description so you can find this page. And what I will also do is add videos of actual YouTubers that show you exactly how to use the different AI tools. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.